Well, welcome back to Lego by the Book. Today I'm going to be building set 7016 Viking boat against the Wyvern dragon. It's a long name for a Lego set. And, yeah, looks pretty nifty. Let's do this. Hopefully all the parts are here. We gonna find out. Might have to supply my own rope. Which is fine, because I have rope. Why is there a fishing pole? Oh, okay. I see. I get the picture. Alright. Everything is so very nicely bagged. Like our minis are already assembled. We have one Viking with a sword. Very nice, very nice. I will never fully understand why a Danish company put horns on Viking helmets. You would really think they would know better. But I suppose they know their market. Oh, good. There is string. Okay. Oh, that is a bunch of really nice Viking shields. I don't know that I had any. And I like them. Okay, we did get string in a bag. Give it to me. There we go. Okay. Here we go. We've got our minis. Man down. Oh, he's supposed to have an axe. And now he does. Okay. Very nice. All right. Let's build a ship. And there is the boat. Also, train. Yeah. I actually think it's really clever how they created the, the long ship looking effect using regular pirate rowboats by connecting them in the middle and then covering up the gap with the shields. I think that looks surprisingly good, really. You really can't tell. Yeah. All right. And there is our Wyvern dragon. It's mostly brick built and it's not great, and they used a lot of Technic parts that really show that they are being used. There are obviously very good examples of brick built creatures, especially if you look at like the Ninjago line and many of the other lines. These were all very, very strangely not disguised as having been made out of Technic parts. I didn't get that. Anyway, I like the wings. The wings are good. You could do a lot to make the body look better, and that would be fairly simple, and you would still be able to use those wings. So, yeah. There was one spare horn, which kind of surprised me. It wouldn't surprise me when you bought the set. It would be very obvious that you'd have extra one of those, but I don't know. It'll go in the bin. We have the two blue gems right there at the base of the mast, and then there are two more that are hidden way down under there, in between them, and I have no idea why. I guess they just wanted to give you lots of gems, which is appreciated, because they're cool. There we have the Viking boat versus the Wyvern. I don't know what I'll do with it. I like it. I may try to keep it in my diorama. I already have a small faction of Vikings. They fit fairly well into the whole medieval motif after all. So I'll probably keep it around, and thank you guys for watching.